The Second World War was one of the deadliest events in the history of mankind that lasted from 1939 to 1945. It involved the vast majority of the world's countries, including all of the great powers, forming two opposing military alliances, the Allies and the Axis powers. The war that claimed over 60 million lives across the globe saw many battles resulting in huge bloodshed on all sides. Some lasted for minutes while others went on for months and even years. In this video we will take a tour of all the significant battles fought during the Second World War. The Battle of Stalingrad is considered as the turning point of the Second World War. German forces invaded the Soviet Union in 1941 and had advanced to the suburbs of Stalingrad by the summer of 1942. Met by a determined Red Army defense commanded by Vasily Zhukov, they reached the city center after fierce street fighting. In November, the Soviets counterattacked and encircled the German army led by Friedrich Paulus, who surrendered in February 1943 with 91,000 troops. The Axis forces suffered 8 lakh deaths. In excess of 10 lakh Soviet soldiers died. The battle marked the farthest extent of the German advance into the Soviet Union. The Battle of Normandy was codenamed Operation Overlord. With Operation Overlord, the Allies launched the largest amphibious invasion of Normandy to free German-occupied Western Europe during the Second World War. Commonly known as D-Day, the operation was launched on June 6, 1944 with the Normandy landings. About 160,000 troops crossed the English Channel on the same day and over 2 million Allied troops had reached France by the end of August. The Allies carried out a military deception plan called Operation Bodyguard, in which electronic and visual misinformation tricked the Germans over the date and location of the main landings. The Allies did not attain their objectives on the first day but gained substantial momentum and captured the port of Cherbourg on June 26 and the city of Caen on July 21. Operation Dragoon was launched to invade southern France, followed by the liberation of Paris on August 25. By August 30, 1944, the German forces had retreated across the Seine, which marked the end of Operation Overlord. The Battle of Midway was a major naval battle in the Pacific between the US Navy and the Imperial Japanese Navy that played out 6 months after the attack on Pearl Harbor. The Japanese plan failed due to their incorrect assumptions about the American mindset. All of the 4 large Japanese aircraft carriers which were a part of the force that attacked Pearl Harbor were sunk, while the US only lost the carrier Yorktown and a destroyer. The United States destroyed Japan's first-line carrier strength and most of its best-trained naval pilots. Together with the Battle of Guadalcanal, the Battle of Midway ended the threat of further Japanese invasion in the Pacific. After the fall of France, Hitler expected the British to seek a peace settlement with Germany, but Britain continued to fight. To bring the war to a quick end, Hitler planned an invasion of Britain, codenamed Operation Sea Lion. For the operation to be successful, the Germans had to first secure the skies over the United Kingdom, which were protected by the Royal Air Force, RAF. Germany had been banned from having an air force after the First World War, but the Nazi government had re-established it, and it was one of the most formidable air forces in the world. The RAF fought the Germans off with the Hawker Hurricane and the Supermarine Spitfire, 2 of the best fighter aircraft in the world. Unable to gain advantage over the RAF, the Germans shifted their focus to London. This would be a critical error by the Germans, because despite the devastation it caused to the residents of London, it also gave the British defences time to recover. On September 15, the British resisted another massive attack by the Germans, who suffered many losses. Later, Hitler postponed Operation Sea Lion indefinitely. This victory was one of the most important for Britain and proved that air power alone could be used to win a major battle. The Battle of France. also known as the Fall of France, was the German invasion of France, Belgium, Luxembourg and the Netherlands. The Battle of France saw two main operations on the German side. Fall Gelb, Case Yellow, saw the armored German units break through the Ardennes along the Somme Valley, cutting off and surrounding the Allied units advancing to Belgium. After the Belgian and French forces were driven back to the sea, the British evacuated their own troops and several French divisions from Dunkirk in Operation Dynamo. After the British troops left, Fall Rot, Case Red, began on June 5. The remaining French divisions resisted but were soon overcome. Paris was occupied by German forces on June 14. After the battle, France was divided up and occupied by Germany, Italy, and the neutral Vichy government. The devastating attack on the U.S. naval base at Pearl Harbor in Hawaii by Operation AI of the Japanese Imperial Army was a complete surprise and took place on December 7, 1941. This attack marked a climax in the worsening relationship between Japan and the United States. Once the US fleet was out of their way, the road to conquering all of Southeast Asia and the Indonesian archipelago would open up for the Japanese. On November 26, a Japanese fleet including 6 aircraft carriers, 2 battleships, 3 cruisers, and 11 destroyers sailed 275 miles north of Hawaii. About 360 planes were launched from this point for the final assault. This surprise attack came as a shock to the American people and led to the US entering the Second World War in both Europe and the Pacific. On December 8, the United States declared war on Japan. The Battle of Monte Cassino was a costly series of 4 assaults by the Allies against the Winter Line in Italy held by Axis forces during the Italian campaign of World War II. The intention was a breakthrough to Rome. First 3 battles were lost by Allies, but the 4th one was a victory. The Second Polish Corps abolished the abbey. It was one of the bloodiest engagements during the Italian campaign as the Allies suffered approximately 55,000 casualties. The Battle of Moscow represents 2 significant periods of fighting on the Eastern Front during the Second World War. After 4 million casualties on the Soviet side, the German army had come to within 200 miles of Moscow. This was when Operation Typhoon was launched, an offensive intended to seize the Soviet capital and put an end to the campaign. But the reality turned out to be far from what either side had expected. The Soviets had a huge but badly organized army. The Germans, on the other hand, with their expertise and equipment could have won any war on the planet. But due to the freezing weather and inability to get supplies through to the Panzer Army, the Soviet defense was able to hold off the Germans. The Soviets defended the city by constructing 3 defensive belts, deploying new armies and bringing troops from the Siberian and Far Eastern military districts. The Battle of Kursk was a series of offensives between the German and Soviet forces on the Eastern Front near Kursk, 450 kilometers southwest of Moscow. Operation Citadel was the German codename for the offensive. It led to one of the largest ever armored clashes, the Battle of Prohorivka, fought on July 12, 1943. The Battle of Kursk was an unsuccessful attempt by the Germans to take over the Soviet forces, and they lost a huge number of men and tanks in the process. The Soviet line at Kursk was protruding into enemy territory and the Germans attempted to attack from different directions. The Soviet forces held off the offensive and launched counterattacks which helped reclaim the cities of Oryol and Kharkov. This was the first time during the war that a German strategic offensive was halted before it could break through enemy lines. The German advance was 8 to 12 kilometers in the north and 35 kilometers in the south. The Battle of Berlin resulted in the surrender of the German army and the death of Adolf Hitler by suicide. It was a resounding victory for the Soviet Union and the Allies. The city of Berlin was reduced to rubble and around 22,000 German civilians were killed. The Battle of Berlin is an important conflict in World War II because it was the final major battle in Europe in World War II. The outcome of the battle saw the end of Nazi Germany and the leadership of Nazi Germany. After this battle, the city of Berlin was divided into four as agreed by the Allies. Of all the battles fought during World War II, these were the most prominent and had a lasting impact on the final outcome. These offensives and assaults brought about millions of military and civilian casualties as some of the battles directly targeted cities like London, Stalingrad, and Moscow. Led by generals, admirals and commanders with tremendous strength on both sides, each battle's successes and failures slowly paved the way for the final Allied victory in 1945. On September 2, World War II ended when U.S. General Douglas MacArthur accepted Japan's formal surrender aboard the U.S. battleship Missouri, anchored in Tokyo Bay along with a flotilla of more than 250 Allied warships.